Good morning class. This is your another practical regarding dielectric constant and polarizability. As you know that dielectric is that material which is non-conducting. So with the help of non-conducting material, here I will discuss the dielectric constant values and how that dielectric material will be helpful for the charges to carry the electric effect. So here I am having a input source from where input is provided to the capacitor C1. So C1 and C2 should be parallel, and the known capacitor's value, which is 35 microfarad, which is in series from the input source, and there is a PN junction diode. So dielectric material is going to be insert in this PN junction diode with the help of capacitor C0 having value 35 microfarad. So microammeter will show the deflection and show that at which point the current is the maximum. So for this purpose I am having dielectric slabs which are having the thickness of 0.2 and 0.3 centimeter that I will show you in the circuit. So here is the circuit for dielectric constant and polarizability. For that purpose I have this dielectric slab which is inserted in between this junction, that is PN junction. So this is dielectric material which is inserted in between this diode. So it is having uniform thickness of 0.3, and another one I will use, that is 0.3 centimeter. So this is the thickness. So it is circular in shape. You can easily get the volume of that circular shape particle. Now this is ammeter, DC ammeter, which will supply input to this dielectric material. Okay. So corresponding to that I am having this two types of capacitor. So this capacitor is of 35 microfarad, which I have shown you in the diagram. CP and CS are in the parallel. This is oscillator, with the help of which we can equate the values for capacitor, that how much capacitor CS and CP is charged. For that purpose I am having this ammeter. Okay. So with this 0.2 centimeter thickness of dielectric slab, I am having CS value at 250. So I will trace that value upon which maximum current will be there. So maximum current is of 40 microampere. So 250 is the CS value. Okay. So corresponding to that, if I again change this dielectric slab, then I can get again second value of CS. So with this RF amplifier and tuning, I can get the ampere current value maximum. Okay. So calculations I will show you again in the observation table. So here I am having observations for that dielectric slab. If the thickness is 0.2 centimeter, corresponding to that I can easily get the volume of dielectric. So after calculation I have volume of dielectric, that is 0.00022 centimeter cube. So C1 and C2 are those capacitors which was there as CS and CP. So when the current is maximum, I will trace that capacitance value, and that was 250 microfarad. If I change the dielectric slab and take the thickness as 0.3 centimeter, corresponding to that there will be just slight change in the volume of dielectric slab, and C2 I can trace again for maximum amount of current, which is stabilized with the help of RF oscillator and tuning frequency. Okay. So there is the formula for dielectric constant K, 1 plus C2 minus C1 upon C0. C2 and C1 I can equate after finding the values. So alpha is the polarizability. So polarizability formula is V epsilon naught K minus 1. Epsilon naught is a constant value, that is 8.85. So that value I can equate here. V is the input voltage, K is the dielectric constant value. So with this we can find out the dielectric constant K and polarizability alpha. Thank you class.